Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on diagnosing your LG Ultrawide monitor. Today, we will take you through a step-by-step process to identify common issues and how to resolve them effectively. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, microfiber cloths, and possibly a multimeter if you're checking for electrical issues. Begin by safely unplugging the monitor from the power source. This is crucial to ensure your safety while performing any diagnostic checks. Next, we'll examine the exterior of the monitor. Check for any visible damage, such as cracks or loose cables. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the back panel screws. Make sure to keep these screws organized, as you will need them to reassemble the monitor later. Once the back panel is removed, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for dust accumulation, which can lead to overheating and performance issues. Use the compressed air to gently clean out any dust from the circuit board and other components. Remember, a clean monitor is a well-functioning monitor. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, keep in mind that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's check the connections. Ensure that all cables connecting the monitor to the power source and your computer are secure. Sometimes, loose connections can cause display issues. If you find any damaged cables, consider replacing them. If you're still experiencing problems, you might want to test the monitor with another device. Connect it to a different computer or laptop to see if the issue persists. This will help you determine if the problem lies with the monitor or the original device. If you don't have the tools for this test or prefer not to handle it yourself, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. For those experiencing power issues, check the power supply unit. You can use a multimeter to test if it's functioning correctly. If it's not providing the right voltage, it may need replacement. Again, if this seems daunting, our service includes a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. After checking all these aspects, it's time to reassemble your monitor. Carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any future issues. Finally, plug the monitor back in and power it on. Observe if the issues have been resolved. If not, it might be time to reach out for professional help. With our services, you can enjoy a hassle-free experience with no calls and no travel required. Simply book a service, and we'll handle the rest. Thank you for following along in this detailed guide on diagnosing your LG Ultrawide monitor. We hope you find these steps helpful in maintaining your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.